Frances from Your Book of Memories. I am so super excited. Yes, I know I say that every time, but I am really happy right now because I love the way this book turned out. I call this design my Simple Mini Album version 2. So it's great for beginners. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I used the Bo Bunny Summer Mood collection pack. Unbelievable. It came with a sticker sheet, okay? This can be found at countrycraftcreations.com as a little collection kit, which it comes with this paper and also the chipboard sticker sheet. So this whole cover is made of chipboard, super awesome. So it measures 6 by 8.5, and then the spine is 2 1/8 by 8.5. And also I've got 4 page units in here, 2 half pages and 2 whole pages. And between each page we have a 1/2 inch gusset of space, so that's super awesome. So I used a couple other products from Country Craft Creations as well, so let's check out what those products are. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the seam binding, the ribbon, and the pre-cut images. This just made the project so much easier, I'm telling you. I didn't have to fussy cut anything. I mean, it just was remarkable. So here's one of the chipboard stickers, and super sticky, super quality, okay? Cute little rhinestone on there. And then we've got these banners, and I added my own lace out of my stash, this awesome mesh ribbon, and then we've got the seam binding as a tassel on the side. So more of this lace. One of those awesome little things. I love how I wrapped it around, kind of make it look like it's, you know, pinwheel. So it's wrapping around the book a little bit and then kind of lift it up right here. I love it. And then I added more lace here, and sunshine is the best medicine. Yes, it is. Gotta get your vitamin D, it makes you happy. Okay, so that was one of the pre-cut images as well, and I used this adorable banner paper in the back. And then this was extra paper that could be purchased separately from CCC. So here on the spine, like I said, we have the awesome seam binding and that awesome mesh ribbon, so that's super cute. I just made a tassel, and I have some crochet yarn here attaching it. Look how cute this pink is. It just matches perfectly. Oh my gosh. And then here's the back. I have some more lace going on. I love this spine wrap paper. I'm in love. And then we got simple polka dots on the back. Isn't that so cute? So you just untie this adorable ribbon. Oh my gosh, and I already have a tutorial on how to create this whole book, start to finish. Great beginner's book, okay? Here's one of the pre-cut images. I got some lace going on over here, behind there, and then I added a little bit of cotton twine, and then I just mounted that on this awesome little magnetic band. So this pulls down, right? Here's the rest of the little image. And then this pulls up. We got photo space here, and then I left this blank since it was getting a bit busy, but you could put photos here, or you could even just make another pocket, stick some tags in there, or even leave it blank for journaling or something else. So isn't that adorable? Little 3 by 3 spots right there, 3.5 by 3.5 photos. This closes back up, and this is a little flap, little pull tab with some seam binding. And then we have this, I just fussy cut this banner out, and these were both of the images that were already pre-cut. And I just tucked a little loose photo mat in there. Adorable. And then we've got these 2 mounted photo mats right there. Another pre-cut image. That made it so easy. You guys know how much time I spend on cutting my banners and everything. It was just perfect. Tamara, she sent the perfect collection. Okay, so here's one of the cut aparts. I just cut that out of the paper line. And then we have this chipboard sticker banner. Oh my gosh, it's got the glitter hearts and the little rhinestones. And then again, okay, this collection, I was smiling pretty much the whole time I was using it. Oh my gosh, it's just such happy paper. Got some lace right here and a couple border strips that I put together. And then I just mounted that right on there. And I used my scallop option on my purple handled crocodile decorative corner punch right there. So open this up, and this is what's on the inside. A cute little pocket. I have a little paper clip right there holding this. Good vibes only, one of the cut aparts. And then I added this simple tag. That was one of the 3x4s, but I just made it into a tag shape. And then I tied some twine on the top of this seam binding that I laced through this. This paper also, again, can be purchased separately, okay? I love this paper. And look at this tuck spot behind the photo mat. Unbelievable. I just love it. So that magnetizes closed, and then there's an insert right here for perfect places for 4x6 photos. You'll have to trim them down a little bit, but look at that. Amazing. Here down over here, I've got a little shape, and I mounted some stuff on, cut aparts that were already pre-cut, and then I cut this out. And then I added some lace, cut a banner out. Of course I got my journaling lines going on, and then I added a tag and a photo mat, double-sided. Perfect! Added some more twine on there with some seam binding. And then this is a little half page. So you can see my string coming through, which I love. One of the pre-cut images, some more lace. This is a little envelope that opens up. And then I just stuck something in there, just a cute little pocket. And we're a memory keeper's envelope. Punch board made that cute little notch. Love the lemon paper. And then we've got an insert for this. Awesome. Wow, I love it. Behind here, I just layered some little banner pieces and one of the sentiments out of the pre-cut package. We got some more stuff here, and then love the popsicle paper. I mean, come on, it's amazing. It's awesome. Oh, and I used for the first time, Stampin' Up! Tab punch. Thank you so much, Amy. That made my life a lot easier, I swear. This was one of the easiest books I've ever put together. I layered some more stuff here. This was out of the pre-cut, and this was too, but I just fussy cut the banner down a little bit more. This opens up again, and look at this. I just rounded the corners, 1/2-inch corner rounder, cut off the yes please, and stuck it in here. I had another idea for it, that's why I took it off, but it still looks good. Okay, now over here I have a cute little banner pocket, and this is super awesome. In the tutorial, I do recommend, which I was kind of just going for it as I was recording, I recommend you, if you want to make this pocket here, go all the way to the edge. That way you have more room. You see how I don't have enough room to go that way? I put it in the center. I should have put it all the way to the right and only glue it down on the right side and the bottom. That way you have all that room. So that was a little mistake there, but letting you know now, that way when you jump into it, you can go ahead and fix that. Here's another one. This is the last one, so it's 4 pages, right? And then the spine is 2 1/8. The gussets are 1/2 inch. More fussy cut stuff. I actually fussy cut this. This was one of the cut aparts already. This, again, these are pre-cut images, sorry. More lace. A little ribbon pull tab right there. This belongs in there, but that's what was in there. Look how cute. Wow. And then another little paper clip, Tim Holtz paper clip. Amy actually got that for me. I don't know if it's Tim Holtz. It might have been Stampin' Up! I don't know if they sell those or not. 3x4, and then I just made a tag right here. And then there's a tuck spot behind there. Love the typewriter paper, so cool. And that magnetizes closed. And then we've got this. So another pre-cut image, beautiful. Here's a chipboard sticker with a little rhinestone, love the pinwheel. And then these flip out to the right for more photo space. And then we've got this. So this is cute, 4x6 photo, perfect on there. That opens up, you can tuck your photo under there. And there's the top. And there's a magnet also. So that is so cute, right? Oh my gosh, it came together. Seriously, you could probably finish this in 1 day, or at least 1.5 days, I'm telling you. Anyways, everyone, I hope you love it. I just can't stop staring at this first page. I absolutely love the popsicle. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. And I will post a tutorial, the link to it, in the description box, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.